wipe your nose? I don't think it goes on your toes. No more. No more. No.
No. Back up. Back up, back up, back up.
That was for his knees.
Are you sneezing? No.
Open the door. Don't let Daddy out. Open the door. Yes, I see the towel. I know you have just created an entire mess. You're Typo Nanny.
Hi.
Yes, the baby. The baby wants to go back on you to keep you warm. And it's time to put your jammies on. It is way too late and you should be in bed asleep. Where's your blankie? Where's your blankie? Yeah, what are you going to do? Let's see. Where's your blankie? Because your feet are getting cold. Well, hold still and let me get in there. There you go. Okay. Oops. Oh, oops. Okay, now I'm gonna zip up some jammies. Okay, come on. We'll